We are going to this type of certificate design in Microsoft Word. It is too much easy. So first of all, I'm going to click in the layout. After that, clicking in the orientation, then clicking in the landscape. After that, I'm choosing the size A4 size. Okay, this is the perfect size for my certificate design. And I'm going to set the margin also 0.05 inch. Okay, oh sorry, so I think I need to set it in the 1 inch. Top side also 1 inch, bottom 1 inch, left 1 inch, and the right also 1 inch. After that, I'm going to use few triangles. Okay, so it is very simple type of the certificate. So first of all, I'm going to click in the insert shapes, and I'm going to use this type of the triangle. Okay, so this is this type of the triangle. I'm going to use this one, and I'm going to rotate this one like this. Then I'm going to put this one here. Again, I'm pressing Control button in the keyboard and dragging. After that, it will duplicate. Then after that, now I'm going to use this one here, and okay, then I'm just clicking here in the rotate, and I'm just clicking in the flip horizontal. Okay, so after that, again, I'm going to use another triangle here. For this one, I'm going to insert shapes, and I'm using this type of the triangle. Okay, and I'm going to rotate this one, and I'm going to put here. Okay, then I'm again duplicating these shapes by pressing Control button here. Again, I'm going to in the rotate and flip horizontal, and I'm going to put this one here. Okay, so now after that, so I need to resize this one to the corner. So I'm making it little bit bigger. Okay, so in this way. After that, so I'm going to use another triangle also here by pressing Control. I am just duplicating this one like that. Okay. Okay, so I'm going to just drag this one here. So I'm going to resize this one. I'm going to resize this one. Okay. Again, I'm duplicating this one by pressing Control. Okay, I'm going to drag this one from here in this side also, in this side also. I'm going to drag this one like this. Okay. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to give the color from shape fill. I'm going to color it the yellow color. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to use another color here from shape fill. I'm going to use this type of the color. Here also same color. Here also same color. Here also same color. Okay. So I'm going to use this one also yellow color. This one also yellow color. Okay. After that, I'm going to duplicate this file here by pressing Control button. I'm just dragging this one like this, and I am changing the color of this triangle from the format. I'm just giving the color is blue color. Okay. Then after that, I'm going to give the shape effects like this. So you can use this shape effects like that. Okay, so I think I need to use the 3D roll bevel also. Okay, you can use as per your requirement. I am using this type of the shapes here. So I'm just duplicating this one by pressing Control and dragging it and flipping this one from the rotate, flip vertical, and I'm going to put this one here in this way. Okay. So after that, now I need to drag the size also in this way. Okay. I think I need to drag this one little bit bigger. I need to make it little bit bigger. Okay, after that I need to make another two triangle. Okay, so for this one I am just dragging this one here. Okay, so I'm going to design this triangle, right? So I'm going to here, then I'm resizing this one and putting here. Again, I am duplicating this one by Control plus C, Control plus B in this way, and changing the color from the format shape fill, and I am making it blue color, and I am resizing this one in this way. Okay, so now we can see here I created these shapes also, right? So I'm going to duplicate this one. I will select both shapes from by pressing shift button, and just you have to press control button and drag it. Now put these shapes here and rotate again from the format, rotate and flip vertical. Okay, in this way. So I'm just setting the proper position of those shapes here. Yeah, like this. Then after that, I think I need to drag a little bit down. Okay, so now I almost created few shapes. I think it became little bit larger, so I'm going to resize this one like that. Okay, and I'm going to resize this one also a little bit like this. Okay, so now I think I need to drag it little bit like this, and this one also little bit to the left. Okay, so now we can say I created the frame of the certificate. Then after that, we need to start design the both shapes. Okay, so I am just double clicking here and typing certificate, and I am increasing and I am pressing enter of certificate of the appreciation. Okay, like that. And now I'm going to use the proudly presented to proudly presented to and you can put the name here. Then after that you can write whatever you want. This is to certify that Mr. Dipesh Rai completed the course of certificate design in MS Word, like that. And you can increase the font size also in this way. Okay, and you can increase the certificate font size like that. Okay. Oh, here is the spelling mistake. So in this way you can design the certificate, and in the last there is the to sign button, right? Okay, so you have to put here sign of teacher in this way. So in this way you can easily create whatever type of certificates using shapes and text in MS Word. Hoping that you get few ideas. Thank you so much for watching this video.